Hey guys, we received this 2-pack 4.6 quart large glass storage container for test and try. Looks really good with the airtight lid as you can see, and have an ample space. So this comes in this box with the stickers, and be careful like while taking this out. This is all glass, comes with the scoop or the measuring scoop and the two airtight lids. So the size is around 10.1 inches in the length and 5.9 inches in the width, and can hold up to 4.6 quart or 4.4 liter, and also comes with this measuring cup. So this is pretty good while you take this out and the dry with the measuring thing. So the airlet container, the measuring cup and the glass container is easy to clean with the dish and soap and water, and really is a thick glass where you can see like the corners are really smooth, and this feels and looks clean and clear as well. So it's great for the pantry because it is a airtight container that you can easily use, and you can see like it really works well. So we put the chips and things inside it, and you can see this airtight container that this holds really well. Taking out things from it is pretty easy. Cleaning and storage is easy as well. So looks nice, and here is a container, and then with the air lid thing it holds really well. So very nice storage containers for your pantry.